those Python skins. Keep it cold. Copy that. Loading now. Manifests are clear. Temp is stable. Pallet jack is ready. Good. Check the manifest. Spread them out evenly. Got it, no tangles. Seal is tight, set the program. After drying, the Python leather is carefully transported on carts. Its dry, stiff texture will be softened in the next process. Check the counts. Fronts, backs, sleeves, collars, pockets. All here for the match? Zipper test complete, marking it off. Snaps are secure. Next, the seams. Seams are straight, thread tension is good, lining is properly attached, pattern flow across the seams is X-ray. Starting with the sleeve length. Body length is 30 inches within tolerance. Chest width, 44 inches. Shoulder, all measurements confirmed. Jacket passes inspection. Okay, verifying sizes. Small, 12, medium, 15, large, 10, XL, 8. All counts match. Shipment is clear for dispatch. that fast? All set. Unpacking the first jacket, checking for shipping damage.
Ready? Scan the barcode.
Scanned, moving to shelf.
Confirmed in system. Next size.
Here's the packing slip.
All matched.
This is a stunning jacket. Tell me about it.
Certainly, it's genuine python leather made by skilled artisans. The quality is exceptional.
How do I care for it?
A professional conditioner is best, applied lightly.
Perfect.
Here is your python jacket, carefully wrapped. Thank you, it looks perfect. And here are the care cards and our business card. Wonderful.
Supervisor, confirm pH levels are stable at 4.2 for the current batch. Good. Throughput is up to 150. Keep the temperature at 38.5 degrees. Excellent. Log the adjustments and proceed to the next stage. Good morning. Today we'll cover PPE for tanning chemicals. First, gloves. These resist the strong acids we use. Now the respirator. Position it and adjust the straps for it. Always inspect your equipment. Safety is our priority. This deep burgundy really makes the python pattern pop. The contrast works perfectly. This is a great sample.
Uploading the high-res images of the python leather jacket. Now, the title, Exotic Python Leather Jacket, describing the genuine python leather and artisan craftsmanship, setting the price and saving the product. This python jacket is exquisite, a quick steam for perfection. Accessories are set, now for the champagne. All ready for our client's arrival. Okay, hand on hip, look confident.
Got it. One more.
How's this with the jacket? Perfect. It elevates the whole outfit.
Great. Let's see the side. Examining the construction details. The stitching is precise and consistent. Verifying the lining and hardware. Authentic, documenting for the certificate. For python leather, use a specialized conditioner.
How often should it be done?
Apply it like this, we recommend annual professional cleaning.
I see. That looks great.
And always use a padded hanger in a breathable bag. A craftsperson repairs a scratch on a customer's python leather jacket. Using color match solution and fine tools under magnification, the repair is blended seamless. Specialized service maintains the value of luxury garments.